Baking should be fun and stress-free. That is the perfect example of what I brought for you all today. I brought you the super delicious banana brownies that is so easy to prepare and the result is amazing. This very one is a must try because it tastes super delicious and very easy to prepare. Those are the bananas I'll be using. If you have overripe banana at home, don't throw them away. You need them for this. You can see what I have here. I'm just going to peel it. After peeling, that's what I have. So all I need to do now is to mash it. Okay, you don't need any kitchen processor to do this. This is so soft already, so it is very easy. I will use this opportunity to say thank you so much to all my returning subscribers. Thank you so much. Newcomers, you're also welcome. If today is the very first time on this channel, please press the subscribe button, follow us, and you will be glad you did. Turn on your notifications to be getting notifications whenever I upload a new video on this channel. So lovely. So you can see what we have now. So I'll keep the mashed banana aside for later use. Now let's make our dough. Into a big bowl, I'm going to pour in the sugar I'll be using, and into the sugar I'm going to throw in the butter direct into it now. And I'll use my mixture to mix both very well together. For the ingredient list, please check the description box or the comment section. You will find it there. So let's move on. You can see what we have here now. It looks creamy already. Into the mixture, I'm going to add the chocolate powder I'll be using into it. I'm going to add some salt into it as well. And into this, I'm going to pour the milk inside. Like I've told you, this is super direct and super perfect. Too perfect. I poured in the milk and I'm going to sieve the all-purpose flour I'm using. Please check the description box or the comment section. You will definitely find the recipe list there. Okay, so after sieving the all-purpose flour, I'm going to add baking powder into it. So lovely, it's now time to mix them together. Mixing this does not require any electrical mixer at all. You can use a spatula for this, but if that's what you want, feel free to use it, but please don't over mix it. This is super okay like this. So into this now, I'm going to pour in the banana. Those banana we mixed at the beginning is what I've just poured it now into it. Lovely. At this stage, I'm supposed to add 2 eggs into it like this, but I forgot. So I mixed the banana with the mixture together before I later on now remember that, oh my goodness, I've not added my eggs into it. Those are the eggs. So I just mixed it together and I poured it on top of the mixture and I combined them very well with the spatula in my hand. So like I've said, I do not want to over mix this, so I did not use any electrical mixer, and this is what I have. Lovely. It's now time to cream the baking tray with some butter or vegetable oil. So I poured in now the batter. You can see how it looks. I'll be baking 2 pans out of this batter. So that is the very first one. I'm going to do the topping with almond. You can use hazelnut, you can use walnuts, okay? But I'm using almond only. So I place it in oven 180 centigrade for good 40 to 45 minutes. That's what I have. If you're baking a bigger one, it might take up to 60 minutes. Lovelies, let me show you how it looks inside there. Check it out. This is a must try.